What's going on, everybody? I think we're live. So this is going to be day 3 of the Traffic Secrets live training. So guys, I did yesterday, I talked about how to find your potential customers. And then day 1, I talked about, like finding out who your customer is. So today we're going to talk about hook story offer. So now we know who our customer is. Now we know where they're congregating. So how are we going to hook them into our business? So I'm really excited to talk to you guys about the hook story offer. Guys, if you don't know, I'm doing a live video every single day, training you guys and talking to you guys about traffic secrets. And yeah, it's going to be the new book. The new book just released like 3 days ago. So I'm doing it live almost every single day. Let me just share this to my group real quick, guys. And let me know if you're excited about this one. And we'll get started here in a second. Give me 1 second here. Let me share this to my group. Cool. Can you guys hear me? Because I last time I went live, you guys couldn't hear me. So I want to make sure you guys can hear me okay. Let me just share this real quick. All right. Start. Perfect. All right, cool. Who we got on here, guys? Let me know where you're coming from. If you guys have not purchased the Traffic Secrets book, guys, as you know, I have a ton of bonuses, guys, like a ton of bonuses if you do purchase Traffic Secrets through my link. But I'll talk about that later. But I have literally like $30,000 worth of bonuses. I even show you bank proof that the bonuses are worth over $30,000 if you purchase Traffic Secrets through my link. But I'll talk about that later. Let's go into the hook story offer. Let me just make sure this is shared into my group, and we'll go ahead and get started, guys. Perfect. All right. Hook story offer, guys. So now, like I said, if you went to day 1 and day 2, we talked about finding your potential customers. And basically, now that we know where they're at, now we got to figure out how we can hook them into our business, right? So this is going to be hook story offer. And I know a lot of you guys follow me, and that you guys, a lot of you guys are affiliate marketers because that's why you follow me. And I never thought this was important, like when I first started, like the hooking them in, because as an affiliate marketer, our main job is just to get someone to the offer, right? But I'm going to talk about why hook story offer is important as an affiliate marketer and how it relates to us and our businesses, okay? All right, let me share my screen here. It looks like we got some people, so it looks good. I think we're about ready to start. Perfect. All right, let me share my screen, guys, and we'll get started. Okay, can you guys see everything okay? I won't be able to see the comments until after. So if you have questions, go ahead and drop them down below, and then I will answer them, at the end of the video here. All right, so let me share this real quick. Okay, so secret number 3. So like I said, guys, I'm going live every single day. I already did secret number 1, secret number 2. If you want to look at those, guys, it's really important that you go secret 1, secret 2 before you get to secret 3. That way you understand what's going on. I have all these videos on YouTube, so you guys can go check them out there if you missed the first 2 days, okay? But I'm going to be doing every single day. There's 20 chapters. I'm going to be going over the whole book, all right? So this is hook story offer and the attractive character, okay? All right, so what we're going to be going over, let me hide this real quick. So the introduction, I'm going to be talking about what the hook is, what story is, and then the offer, okay? And then we're going to go over 20 hooks from the top 20 affiliates and then implementing this into your business. So I'm going to try to keep this short, guys, and straight to the point, okay? All right, introduction. So the core foundation for selling anything online, guys, is hook story offer. So if you've read any of Russell Brunson's books, he always talks about this, and this works for anything, okay? So basically, we're hooking someone in, we're giving them a story, and then we have an offer at the end. I'm going to kind of talk about that and why it relates to everything in our online businesses, okay? So let me tell you about a time I peed my pants during a workout. I was filming for Dollar Workout Club, and I never been so embarrassed before. So if you read chapter 3 in the book, he talks about a lady that was scrolling through, and she saw this ad that basically had this this word right here, okay, or this sentence here, and it really hooked her in, and basically it got her to buy the Dollar Workout Club. And that's basically a hook, right? So let me tell you about a time I peed my pants during a workout, okay? So that was the hook. And then that got, in the book, he talks about it got her enough attention so that lady was able to tell her story and then give her an offer at the end, okay? So that's basically what he talks about in the book, okay? All right, so hook. Okay, so now that we know exactly where our dream customers are online, our job is to throw a hook to grab their attention. Okay, so like I said in secret number one, secret number two, I talked about the last few days. It's we have to figure out where our customers are at, right? So for me, for example, okay, so I talked about the scroller versus the searcher, right? So for me, for example, on YouTube, I know exactly what my customers are typing in, right? That's why I create content based on what people are typing in into YouTube, okay? So my hook is going to be the thumbnail, the title, and that's how I get people into my videos, the videos where I talk about my story, okay? So that's kind of what we're talking about. And the hook can also be like a Facebook post. It can be, the first sentence, the first few sentences is your hook, guys. That's going to be what's going to stop someone's attention. Also, if you notice on my Facebook groups or on my Facebook posts, I do a lot of GIFs, like some crazy GIFs where I get people's attention, because this is how, when people are scrolling, guys, you have to get them to stop so you can tell them a story. And then you can offer them something. It doesn't even have to be like selling something. It can be like just comment below or like this post or whatever it is, right? It doesn't always have to be selling. I'll talk about that here more in a little bit, okay? So a hook is something that grabs someone's attention so you can tell them a story, right? So just like I said, a hook can be anything, a YouTube thumbnail, it can be an ad, it can be a headline, a post, a picture. So basically anything that grabs someone's attention, because if you can't grab their attention, then you're not going to be able to tell them a story and you can't sell them something, right? So that's basically one of the most important things, guys. And I do a lot of one-on-one coaching. How's it going, Scott? Good to see you here, my man. I do a lot of one-on-one coaching. And, a lot of people, especially for YouTube, right? So they have great content on YouTube, but no one's watching their content. So I go back and I look at their data. I'm like, well, your thumbnail is not very good. It's not really grabbing my attention. So, we structure the thumbnail so we can grab someone's attention. All right. That's just a YouTube example. So if you look at my YouTube videos, you would notice I'm always trying to grab someone's attention with the thumbnail. Now, I'm not saying clickbait, because we don't want clickbait. We want something that's relevant to what we're going to tell the story about, or the video, whatever it is. But what I'm saying is you have to have a really good enticing hook to get people in. Okay. So that's really what that means. Okay. So pay attention to what stops you next time you are scrolling, and ask yourself, why did I stop? How did it make me feel? And what was the hook to get my attention? Okay. So Russell Brunson talks about if someone's like using the bathroom, right? And they're scrolling through Facebook and something stops you, right? Why did it stop you? And how did it make you feel? Okay. So if you're starting to ask the right questions as you're going through this, then it's really going to help you as you create your hooks in your businesses. Okay, guys, if you can understand the hook, story, offer, it's really going to help your business out. Like when I started understanding these principles, my business just skyrocketed because my YouTube channel was getting more views. My Facebook posts were getting more engagement. If you guys notice in my Facebook group, a lot of my first sentences and my first my pictures, it's just a hook, right? It's a hook to get you in so I can tell you a story. Okay, so that leads me to the next thing here is the story. So after you have their attention, you have a small window to connect with them through story. Okay, so this is important, guys. And a story, it could be like a Facebook post. So you have your headline, you have your thumbnail on YouTube. Your story is going to be like your YouTube video or your Facebook post, or if it's an ad, it relates to anything you're doing. It really doesn't matter. Even like TikTok, guys, you want to hook them in the first second, right? And then you want to tell them the story, whether it's 15 seconds, whatever it is, okay? So two core goals, okay? The story will increase the value of the offer that you're about to make. And the story will build a connection with you as the attractive character and your brand. Okay, so obviously you have to know who your attractive character is and who your ideal client is to be able to make that connection, right? So that's why we talk about who exactly is your ideal client, as I talked about in secret number 1 and secret number 2. And then obviously we figure out where they're at, where they're congregated. And then now we know exactly what type of story we can tell so we can connect with them, okay? And it's really important that you understand this concept, because now we can connect with them on a deeper level, right? I know my exact client, guys. I know exactly what your pains are, what your pleasures are. And I know, a lot of you that follow me are trying to quit the 9-to-5 job, or have tried everything online, have been trying to do affiliate marketing, you're not getting sales. So I know what you're going through. So I know the type of stories I can tell to relate with you to give you an offer. Okay. And we'll talk about that here in a little bit. So attractive character, your personality is becoming more vital to the success of your traffic campaign. Share stories, build connection, and actually serve them instead of always selling. They will advocate for you and share your message. Guys, what's cool about providing all this value for you guys is it all comes back to me, right? So a lot of people say, well, why do you give all this stuff for free when you're not really making money, right? Well, I used to just like try to make money when I was first starting, but now I just try to build connections with you guys. I try to give you value. I try to, connect with you on that level because I know what you're going through. And in return, if you want to buy a product from me, you can. But what I'm saying is people are starting to advocate for me, guys. If you look through Facebook, people are actually, tagging me on these Clickfunnels groups and these groups that people need help. And that's just me because I've been giving back, right? And that's kind of what I want you guys to understand as you're telling these stories is you're really connecting with people, okay? And then last thing here is the offer. The offer doesn't always mean asking people to buy something. It could be as simple as like this post, comment on my post, share this Facebook post, whatever it is. It doesn't always have to be selling, right? Everyone thinks offer is selling. But for example, let's just say I have a Facebook post saying, hey guys, let's just say you have a hook and then you have a story and then your offer is like, hey, just comment below to see if you, I guess I don't have an example for you, but basically just comment on this post or like the post, right? Or it can be an offer, right? It can be something that you're selling. It doesn't really matter. This works for anything. Or let's just say YouTube, right? YouTube, my story or my hook's going to be my thumbnail, my title. The story is going to be the actual video, whatever the video is. And then the offer can be subscribe to the channel. It can be comment down below. It can be, buy something from my link. It relates to everything that you're doing in your online business, okay? No, let me see if I have any questions, guys. I'm going to answer questions at the end. I can't really see comments right now because I only have one screen. But guys, you can see here, for the Traffic Secrets book that I'm reading off of right now, I made a really good offer for you guys. You can see here, this is just a couple of my bonuses for buying Traffic Secrets, right? So this was like just a bonus that I had. So this was an offer related to the Traffic Secrets book, right? And I'll kind of talk about that later. But basically, I hooked you in, whether it's an email or a Facebook post or YouTube video. I told you the story on why you needed the book, and then my offer was my bonus, right? So if people are not taking you up on the offer, the simplest way to fix this is to increase the offer or tell a better story. Okay, so that's really how you like get more sales. That's how you get more engagement. That's really how it works, guys. Okay. My best example for, affiliate marketing is having a really, really good bonus. I'll talk about that here in a little bit. Okay. So, real quick, I just want to talk about 20 hooks, from the top affiliates for the Traffic Secrets launch. I'm just going to go through this kind of quick. Peng Joon, imagine never worrying about getting customers again, guys. It's a really, really good hook. He was one of the top affiliates, for the Traffic Secrets launch. Another one here, knock, knock, knock. Did you know that most people think that traffic is about getting more people? Next one is Jim Edwards. I think he's number one on the leaderboards right now. Thank you. And yes, you can. It's so much more than clicks, guys. So they're getting these hooks, right? These are the hooks that get you in, I think these are more like emails. And then they tell you a story on the email, and then they want you to buy the Traffic Secrets book, right? So that's kind of what we're doing with these hooks, right? So guys, I really understand, start thinking about this as you're going. Why did you click on that YouTube video? Why did you look at that Facebook post? Why did you open that email? And start thinking how you can structure your hooks to get people into your business, into your offers, okay? Steve Larson, this new free book reveals 20 hidden traffic secrets to get unlimited traffic to any website. That's a really good hook. I like that one a lot. My own life makes the best hook. Okay, that one's okay. Julie Stillion, attention. Anyone who is thinking of buying traffic, running ads, or wants to get customers' attention on social media. And then here's 2 big truths that all advanced media buyers know that you don't know yet until now. That one's a little weird, but some are better than others. I'm just kind of reading what I found here from the top marketers. Allison Prince, she said no to her kids' lemonade stand. Okay, that's a pretty good hook. I'll never forget that day. Spencer Meekum, one of the top affiliates, and my friend, the bonus clock starts now. Are you in? Ever wonder the 5 biggest mistakes affiliate marketers make are? Gabe Chillinger, I saw him at Funnel Hacking Live. He said, Russell Brunson's last 2 books literally changed my life twice. How I profitably generated $40K in leads, then $200K in sales 1 week with a $17 product. That's a really good hook. I like that as well. Obviously, you want to make your hooks relevant to your audience, right? It's really important they understand that. Marley Jacks, I love Marley. She's awesome. Every good piece of marketing has this. Listen, you're going to buy traffic secrets anyway. I like that. And then a few more here, guys. ClickFunnels. Need more traffic to your website or funnel. New book shows 20 virtually unknown secrets to get a ton of traffic to any website or funnel. Okay. And then I'm going to answer questions at the end, guys. So make sure you comment your questions below. I'm going to answer your questions after this. Okay. All right. So the number one thing owners need to stay in business is more customers. The unknown art of getting traffic to any business. Okay. All right, guys. So that's basically the hook story offer. Tomorrow we're going to be going over some more stuff. We're going to start getting into more strategy later, but it's really important that you understand hook story offer, guys. Let me see if there's any questions so far. I hope you guys are liking these live videos. Like, I really just want to dive deep into the book, because if you guys understand these principles into getting traffic, you're going to be getting traffic for life. And it's really important that you understand these principles as we go through this. A lot of people just want the strategy, like, give me the secret, the hack, right? But it's not really about that. It's really about the foundation and the principles of who you're trying to target, right? So anyways, guys, let me see if there's any questions here. I don't see any questions so far. I know I'm streaming on like 5 different platforms. So I'm looking at different things here. So I'm sorry if I don't see your question. I don't see any questions. I hope not. So if not, I'll go through and answer them. But let me talk about the book real quick, guys. If you have not got the book yet, make sure to go to Passive Income Lifestyles. Let me see here. Let me get rid of this. If you go to passiveincomelifestyles.com/traffic secrets, I have a ton of bonuses for you guys. Let me just show you here. These are my bonuses. Like I said, you get over $30,000 in bonuses for buying traffic secrets through my link, guys. You're going to get the proven YouTube scripts that help me grow from 0 to 5,000 subscribers in 9 months. You're literally going to get all my YouTube scripts, for getting the traffic secrets book through my link. You're going to get my YouTube's SEO course, how I get my YouTube videos ranked #1. You're going to get my lead funnel swipe PDF. You're going to get a viral funnel to promote ClickFunnels. I literally made $3,400 in just a month with this. My complete ClickFunnels course. And then, guys, I have my super bonus that's worth $25,000, guys. This one is basically I bought into a mastermind with Kevin David, Josue Penny, and Dan De Silva. You're going to get all my recordings with that, guys. This is super, super valuable. So you have to buy every single upsells to get the super bonus. I've had a few people buy through the whole funnel to get this one. Obviously, it's this one's worth a lot of money to me. I showed you my bank account. If you watch this video at the top here, I literally show you proof that this is worth $25,000. I actually paid that much. So so you're gonna get all the recordings for that. And like I said, you have to buy all the upsells, guys. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. If you want the Traffic Secrets book, make sure to buy it through my link. If you like my bonuses, it's basically passiveincomelifestyles.com/traffic secrets. I'll go ahead and link that in here. That way you guys can get the book. Let me link this in here. Should be able to see it here. Let's take a look. Okay. So passiveincomelifestyles.com/traffic secrets, or click on the link below. You'll be able to access the bonuses and get the book for you guys. So anyways, guys, tomorrow is going to be talking about, let me take a look here. I forget what tomorrow is. Let me take a look. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about work your win, buy your way in. Okay. So we're talking about, now that we know where our audience is, now we know how to attract them into our YouTube or Facebook. We're going to be talking about how we work our way in or we buy our way in. So it's going to be, this is where we get into the strategy, guys. I'm really excited to start diving deep into this. And like I said, guys, as I'm learning this, you're learning this as well. So anyways, I hope this video was of value, guys. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me a comment down below. See, there's my offer. But anyways, talk to you guys soon, and God bless.